Is this thing on? Okay. Hello, good morning, everyone of our great school. As you probably know by now, we are having a competition where all students will be invited to submit a poem and song on the theme of our historical culture. So, guys, get your creative hats on because we are about to get started. Excuse me. Would anybody be interested in this thing, in this competition? Okay, thank you. Hot track productions. Baby culture.
They are going to sue us.
Nah man, them just a bit too selfish. It's no big deal. Because them know we for succeed, man.
The students that created the song using the poem by Louise Bennett and the track from Hot Track Productions did not give credit to or mention the original makers of the pieces. And even so, the original creators did not give any authorization to the students to recreate their work.
It was great. And apparently every time you get dizzy, boy, you still get dizzy. And apparently I only went down the super